This video is going to show you how to upload some photos to your project. You'll want to go under the Admin tab, click on Upload Photos. This page is going to show you how many remaining photos you have for this week. Each week your photo limits are reset, so my limit is 10. I've already uploaded 2 to this project this week, so I'll click on Upload. And I've got some miscellaneous images here, and I'm going to select all of these. We'll get all of those selected, and they're going to upload here. This is going to take a second. As these upload, it's important to just let this thing run. Typically, if you're uploading 20 or 100 photos at a time, sometimes it's best to just upload these in the evening, because it will put a little strain on your network. And each of these are going up individually. When they say done, then all the work's been done on our end of the server. When you upload a photo, we keep it in its original state, and then we make copies of that photo to make it run fast on the website. So it's nice because this acts as an off-site archive for your project. So after all these photos have been uploaded, it's going to take you into this ID photo section. And you can see I've got some photos that have all been taken from the same location, and I have some miscellaneous photos. So let's tag the miscellaneous photos first. I'm going to go ahead and check each one of these as miscellaneous. And it looks like this activity had to do with underground plumbing. So I'm just going to write a little description there. If I had some folders set up, I could tag them to that folder. So with these 3 photos selected, I'm going to click Update. And you'll notice, before I do that, that the date of the photo that is entered over in the lower left-hand corner. And that's being read from the information that the camera assigned to the photo. You could override this if you had to, if your camera date was incorrect, and assign your own date. But leave this radio button checked if you're going to use the camera date. So I'm going to hit Update, and you can see that those 3 photos have been updated. They're now live over on the site, and the project team can see them. And they all happen to be in this week here. So that's where those photos are. Now let's go back to the admin section, and we're going to ID the rest of the photos. Now these photos happen to be from the same location, so I'm going to call these a point photo, and I'm going to select the point that they were taken from, which happened to be the northwest elevation. I'm not going to put a description in there. I'm going to use the camera date, and these are all different dates, you can see that. I'm going to hit Update. Oh, see what happened? I didn't click on each of these photos. So I'm going to redo this again. I'm going to select point photo, northwest elevation. This time, I'm actually going to check the ID Select All box. This is going to select all of those images. Put a little check in each of these boxes. I'm using the camera date. I'm going to click Update, and all the photos have been updated. Now, if I click over on the plan view, and click on the point here, I see all of my photos that I just assigned to that point location. So that's how you upload photos. It's pretty straightforward and simple. And just make sure that you keep your miscellaneous and point photos separate.